Welcome! What would you like to order?
I'd like to have this.
Cucumber and potato skewer.
I want this, please.
Tofu and sausage skewer. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the skewers. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Cucumber. Potato. Tofu. Sausage. Let's skewer the ingredients you've just cut. Potato. Cucumber. Which ingredients should be put here? Potato. Cucumber. Sausage. Tofu. Great! All the skewers are ready. Let's add some seasoning to the skewer. Black pepper powder. Honey. Tasty skewers are ready! Thank you! Thank you! Good news! There's a new amusement park nearby! Let's go there and sell things! Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Uh-oh! There's a flock of sheep blocking the road! Honk the horn to drive the sheep away! Whoa! The sheep are gone! Let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order? I'd like to get this. Pepper and rib skewer.
I want to have this.
Mushroom and beef skewer. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the skewers. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Green pepper. Rib. Mushroom. Beef. Let's skewer the ingredients you've just cut. Green pepper. Green pepper. Which ingredients should be put here? Rib. Beef. Mushroom. Great! All the skewers are ready. Black pepper powder. Black pepper powder. Ketchup. Aha! Tasty skewers are ready. Thank you. Thank you. All sold out. Time to pack up and go home.